Hello, and welcome to a new Houzz Pro tutorial. Today, I want to show you how you can use the Chrome extension Houzz Pro Clipper to save any product that you have found into any website or any vendor into your own Houzz Pro library. The first thing that you need to know is that the Houzz Pro Clipper is only available into Chrome. So you will have to go to Chrome and type in the Google search bar Houzz Pro Clipper. Then you will land into that page. And then you can add here to your extension library from Chrome. And here I've already added. And then you can go into any vendor website to start using it. I will go here. You will see that here you will have a little house icon that appears. Once you click on that, you will be asked to log in. I'm signing in. Then you will land into the Houzz website. And then when I go back to my vendor, the Houzz Pro Clipper is getting started. You will have the ability to use Automate Smart Sourcing to ask AI to retrieve all the information for you. So by one click, the Clipper will scrap all the data and add it into the different type of fields. You will be able to select up to 5 images. Then I can clip it. It's going to save there. And then you see AI has actually filled in the product title. It has filled also the cost. And then here I can add a markup if I want to. I can tick and untick if it's taxable. Then you add the client description. And you see some of the information are filled in directly, some other are not. So in here, I can create a new category, armchair, and then click. And here I can also create a new vendor. So home, and add that new vendor. Create. I can add that product into a specific project. So if I already have a project that I'm working on and I want to tie that specific item to, I can do that. I can also select a room, for instance, living room, and then I can click if I want to add that to the selections board or not. And then you see additional detail. We have the manufacturer, and you can add the SKU number if you like. The dimension are filled in. And then you can add other type of description, like description for the vendor, internal notes, or tags. The tagging system is quite useful whenever you're searching for a product within your library. So in here, you can add different type of tags to help you find the right product. Once you're ready, you can save it to Houzz Pro, and it will add automatically to your library and to your board, because in here we've added to the board. But if I'm going into another category, let's go with rugs and runners, for instance. I have that specific rug, and I can do exactly the same. So in here, I can autofill product information with AI. It will scrap all the data. And then I select the images and I clip them. If I want to manually input information, and sometimes AI doesn't do the trick for you, you can still use that specific little hand, the pointing finger. And then here, by just hovering over the title, I can add the product title. In here, if I want to change the client description, same here, I can click on client description and so on. I can also highlight and use that. In there, if you want to disable AI, you can click on the little star here and then disable Automate Smart Sourcing. And in here, you see the more that you're training AI, the more it will recognize the category. So for instance, here, I've already created a rug category, so it automatically fills within the rug category. By default, because I've started with that specific project, it will also add the project, so you don't have to add that again. And then you will have all the information here, and you can save it to Houzz Pro. It's very easy. It's saving you tons of times. And then it will also automatically save the link. So once you start in your selections board, you will also have access to the link where you find that specific product. That's it. Thank you so much for watching the tutorial. I hope it was helpful and have a great day.